In the previous video, we saw how to upload your own images and videos into OpenAI Sora. And in this video, I'll be explaining you about the remix feature available. So first, what's this remix feature? In case you have already generated a video, but you need to make some corrections in that video. In that case, this remix feature will be used. And this remix feature not only can be used to your own generated videos, but also to the videos that other people have generated that comes in the recent and the featured tabs. So let's see how we can use this. So currently I am in my library and I am having some videos that have generated by me. So I will just go and make some changes. So for example, I'm having this video of a hot air balloon. So just select that, and here you will be having the remix feature. So as it clearly says, describe changes and create new videos based upon this. Just click on remix. We need to make changes what we want to implement in this video. So I will just go with this prompt, replace the hot air balloon with a rocket, and I will just select one video and the quality is going to be 480p. And another parameter that we are having is the strong remix. They have three options: strong, mild and subtle. In case if you want to make great change to the video, we need to go with strong. Small change, mild, and very minor change is going to be the subtle. And we also have the custom one, and it will show you the remix strength: 1, 8, 7 is strong, 5 is mild and 3 is subtle. But it's fine, you can just directly give it strong, mild and subtle. So mine is a strong change because I'm trying to completely remove an object. So maybe for adding you can go with mild or something. If you want to change the color or something, you can go with subtle. But since mine is like replacing and it's going to make a significant change, I am going with strong. So this is the credits that are being calculated. Once you are done setting all the necessary parameters, just click on remix. So this is the remixed video that I'm getting. It has replaced the hot air balloon with a rocket, but that's like a weird looking rocket. But anyways, this is how basically it works. So now let's see how we can do the same for other people's video also. For that, you can go to recent or featured, where you'll be able to see what other people have generated. So these are some of the images over here. So let's go and change any of these. Okay, so I will go with this image. So I'm just going to click it, and you'll be having the remix feature over here. Click that. So I have just set it to replace the PC and add a laptop. So it's going to be a strong prompt, and let's see what it's going to give us. And this time it has given us the output, and this looks spot on. Like when compared to the old video, like this looks perfect, to be honest. The PC has been replaced with a laptop. It has done a great job this time. So that's the remix feature, guys, and in the upcoming videos I'll be also explaining you about the looping, blending, recut, as well as the storyboard feature. So subscribe my channel, also check the playlist. I've done a lot of videos in ChatGPT, programming and other AI tools. Thanks for watching.